Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we have something special for those of you looking for the best blindfolds for games. Whether you're hosting a fun party or need a sleep mask for total blackout, the Mutter Blindfold eye mask is a must-have. Let's dive into why this eye mask is a game-changer. First off, the Mutter Blindfold is made of soft satin fabric on the outside with a sponge interior, making it both comfortable and breathable. Whether you're using it for a game or for a peaceful night's sleep, the mask is designed to block out unwanted light effectively. This feature is perfect if you want to enhance your sleep environment or if you're getting ready for some fun party games. One standout feature of this eye mask is its nosepad design. It helps block even more light by ensuring a snug fit around your nose, preventing light from sneaking in from the sides. This makes it ideal not just for sleep, but also for party games where you need complete darkness to keep things exciting. Whether it's a round of truth or dare or a team-building challenge, this mask ensures that you stay in the moment. Speaking of comfort, the Mutter Blindfold comes with an adjustable elastic strap that provides a secure fit for most head sizes, ranging from 43 to 68 centimeters in circumference. You won't have to worry about the mask slipping off in the middle of a game or during your sleep. The elastic bands offer just the right amount of stretch, ensuring it stays in place throughout the night or your game session. Now, let's talk about convenience. The pack comes with 10 individual masks, each neatly packed for easy storage and portability. If you're throwing a party, this is especially helpful, as you can distribute the masks to your guests quickly. Plus, they are lightweight, so you can easily carry them on trips, whether you're traveling for work or leisure. And for those of you who might be concerned about maintenance, don't worry, the Mutter Blindfold is washable, so you can easily keep it clean and fresh for every use. This is especially important if you're using it in a game with multiple people or if you're someone who likes to take it along on your travels. To sum it up, whether you're looking for a game blindfold or a sleep mask, the Mutter Blindfold eye mask is an excellent choice. Its soft material, effective light-blocking design, and comfortable fit make it one of the best options on the market. Plus, with 10 masks in one pack, it's a great value for parties or any event where you need a quick and comfortable blindfold. Thanks for tuning in to this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product insights. See you next time.